Name and how old are you?
Okay, my name's Chris Brown. I'm 37 years old.
And what was the problem that you came to see me about first?
Chronic pain in my right hip.
And for how long did you have it for?
15 years. It was an ongoing issue.
Did you have the pain every day?
Yeah, it was every day. It was constant. Some days it was less, but it was always present.
What was life like with this pain?
It was debilitating. It was very uncomfortable. I was using alcohol to medicate the pain, to try and get rid of the pain. I It got so bad that my hip had given out and I'd almost fallen down the stairs a couple times actually. My doctor wanted to give me had prescribed me opioid painkillers, which I refused. Put me on a list for a hip replacement, which once I actually got in to see the doctor, the surgeon, I also refused. But he was ready to sign me up. I'm incredibly thankful that things happened the way they did, because if I hadn't found this relief, then I would have said yes to a hip replacement. I would have had an unnecessary surgery where I would have had my hip replaced, and I can tell you today that would have been 100% unnecessary. Day to day with that pain was draining. I was experiencing mood swings, chronic fatigue. I had no energy to do anything. I would just come home, fall asleep on the couch. Being an active person, that was really tough, to see my life devolve like that.
What is life like now?
It's wonderful. It's like I've been given a gift. Feels like I can breathe again. I can move. I can play with my son. I can roll around on the ground, and I've got energy for everything that I need to do in a day. I can pursue my hobbies. I can tackle life every day with a smile. I don't have a scowl on my face anymore because of the pain that I was experiencing. So,
After how many trigger point therapy sessions did you notice a change?
the first one, it was like a switch. Because mine was such a long-standing issue, I think I needed a few more to completely eradicate the problem. But the benefits were instantaneous. I noticed them right away. Um, it was like the answer I'd been looking for, like I'd been searching for years.
What surprised you the most about this trigger point therapy?
How effective it was and how hard it was to find. I'm shocked that I didn't know about it sooner. Um, you know, 15 years of dealing with this pain and going to doctors and MRIs and X-rays and ultrasounds and physiotherapy and exercise rehabilitation specialists, every person I could think of that I could get sent to. And I had to find this on my own, and that's shocking and disappointing, because I think this could help a lot of people. Um, Second to that, the thing that surprised me the most was how quick it worked, how fast and how wonderful it changed my life and gave everything back to me that had been taken away.
Interesting. What would you tell somebody about this? If somebody was in pain, what would you tell them?
Get in as soon as you can. It, I spent an obscene amount of money going to naturopaths and physiotherapists and osteopaths and massage therapists trying to find relief, for my issue. So the fact that I was able to come see you when it was covered by MSP, there's really no downside. I've recommended your services to as many people as will listen to me, because I've just had such wonderful benefits. They've been so quick, and I think that anybody that's experiencing pain, knows that there's an issue and they can't find an answer to, they owe it to themselves to come in and experience some relief and some healing, because I mean that's what it's all about.
Thank you very much, Chris.
Yeah, you're very welcome.